My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. I have done already 5 videos about differentiation, 2 videos about concept and 3 videos about the previous year's important questions. This is the 6th video. We are continuing solving the previous year's question paper. If you sincerely attend all these videos and study all the formulas very well, you can score 70 to 80% marks in the coming examination. This question is differentiate tan inverse 1 plus cos x by sin x with respect to x. Let y equal to tan inverse 1 plus cos x whole divided by sin x. That is y. We know cos 2x equal cos square x minus sin square x. That is equal to cos square x, we know sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Therefore, cos square x equal sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Therefore, cos square x equal 1 minus sin square x. Then sin square x equal 1 minus cos square x. That we know. Therefore, cos 2x equal cos square x minus sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. That is equal to cos square x minus into 1 minus 1 minus into minus cos square x plus cos square x. That is equal to cos square x plus cos square x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. I have already done a video about the formula of trigonometry. You just sincerely attend that video also. So cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Therefore, bring minus 1 to the left hand side. Therefore, 1 plus cos 2x equal 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x equal 2 cos square x. Here it is 1 plus cos x. So, cos 2x will be 2 cos square of 2x by 2, that is x. So, what is 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x equal 2 cos square x by 2. Similarly, there is another formula, sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x. Therefore, here it is sin x. Sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x. Therefore, sin x equal 2 sin x by 2, half of x, x by 2 cos x by 2. So this is equal to 1 plus cos x equal to cos square x. We can substitute in the above equation, that is y equal tan inverse 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 divided by sin x will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Clear? Up to this step? If you have any doubt, please comment in my comment box. Next is y is equal to tan inverse 2 cos square x by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. That is y equal tan inverse 2 cos square x by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is 2 cos x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole divided by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This cos x by 2, this cos x by 2 cancel. 2 cancel. So this is equal to y equal tan inverse cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. That is cot x by 2. Cot x by 2. We know sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. 90 is pi by 2. 90 is equal to pi by 2 radians. So sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Then cot 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. We had already studied this formula in trigonometry. Then apply this formula here. So y is equal tan inverse cot x by 2 will be cot pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to tan theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. That is, here cot x by 2 will be tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That is, y is equal tan inverse tan, that is pi by 2 minus x by 2. Y equal pi by 2 minus x by 2. Then dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx, dy by dx equal d by ds of pi by 2, that is 0, minus x by 2, d by ds of minus x by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. That is equal to dy by dx equal minus 1 by 2. Hence the answer. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Clear? Next question is, this question is, if x equal a cos theta plus b sin theta, y equal a sin theta minus b cos theta, show that y square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. We know x equal a cos theta plus b sin theta. Then differentiate x with respect to theta. Therefore, dx by d theta, that is equal to a into d by d theta of cos theta, that is minus a sin theta plus d by d theta of b sin theta, it will be b cos theta. ds by d theta will be minus a sin theta plus b cos theta. Then y equal a sin theta minus b cos theta. Therefore, dy by d theta a sin theta, when we differentiate, we will get a cos theta. Then d by d theta of cos theta, that is minus sin theta. So this will be minus b sin theta. Minus b sin theta. That is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. Clear? Then we must find out dy by dx first. So dy by dx equal dy by d theta divided by ds by d theta, that is equal to dy by dx. That is dy by d theta, it will be a cos theta plus b sin theta divided by dx by d theta, that is minus a sin theta plus b cos theta, that is b cos theta minus a sin theta. Clear? That is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta, we know, that is x is given, that is x divided by a sin theta minus b cos theta is y. So take minus outside from here, from the denominator, take minus outside. So it will be minus of a sin theta minus b cos theta, that is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta, that is y. Therefore, this is equal to minus of x by y. So dy by dx equal minus x by y. Clear? Up to this step, if you have any doubt, please comment in my comment box. Next step is dy by dx equal to minus x by y. Bring y to the left hand side. So y dy by dx equal minus x. Y dy by dx equal minus x. Differentiate on both sides. So this is uv form. So u is equal to y, v is equal to dy by dx. Apply quotient, that is product rule of differentiation and quotient rule of differentiation we had already studied. So d by ds of uv, u and v are functions of x. d by ds of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Therefore, here y dy by dx differentiate on both sides. So u into, that is y into d by ds of dy by dx, Therefore, d square y by dx square plus u into dv by dx plus v into v is dy by dx, v into du by dx, du by ds will be dy by dx. That is equal to minus 1. Here it is u, here it is v. So u is equal to y, v is equal to dy by dx. So u into dv by dx plus v into du by ds. That is y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1. That is y d square y by dx square plus dy by dx, that we know dy by dx is minus x by y, minus x by y into dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1. Clear? Then multiply all the term by y. Multiply all the term by y. So that is y into y d square y by dx square minus x into y by y into dvi by dx equal minus y. Clear? Any doubt in any steps? Please comment in my comment box. That is y into y d square y by dx square is y square d square y by dx square. Y will cancel. So that will be minus x dy by dx. Bring minus y to the left hand side. Plus y, that is equal to 0. That is y square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Hence the answer. I have completed the main questions from previous year's question paper. I had done almost all the important questions from the differentiation. Next, I will start integration. Study all the formulas very well. And I had conducted a video about the differentiation formula. If you attend that video, you can easily by heart all the formulas. Wish you all the best. If you have any doubt, please comment in my comment box. Okay? Thank you.